umwuga uko ntabure umwuga ntabwo bitandukanya n'iterambere ry'igihugu.
Rwanda to host the 8th edition of Africa Congress of Accountants, ACOA 2025, Africa's premier finance and accounting event. The Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Rwanda, Icpar, in collaboration with Pan-African Federation of Accountants, PFA, is pleased to officially announce the upcoming 8th edition of Africa Congress of Accountants, ACOA 2025, scheduled to take place from May 6th to 9th, 2025 at Kigali Convention Center, KCC. Speaking at the press conference held in Kigali on 2nd April, SPL leadership, alongside the key stakeholders, sponsors, and exhibitors, underscored the significance of ACOA 2025 as a platform for driving through leadership, professional excellence, and economic transformation across the Africa continent. ACOA 2025, a defining moment for Africa's finance professionals, creating value for Africa, while Rwanda, a platform for partnership and business growth, a call to action about Icpar, about PFA. All of those are going to be explained by officials. Icpar television was there. I'm Hurizwa. The details are following.
We want, especially the media, start promoting Rwanda in all various aspects of Rwandan society. At every opportunity, and this particular one will be a showcase for you people, not only promote yourself as the city of Rwanda, but also as what Rwanda can offer. And we have enough. The Abahanga came with also the same question. Ariko yavuze ati ishoramari mu Rwanda hari igihe muri 1999 hari ushoramari was ready from Europe yaragaragaza batatu ariko hari abanyamari n'umugabo mu Rwanda. Icyo gihe uwo yabaziye yari finance director wa MTN. Luckily enough, is a friend of mine who was qualified every day. Mu Rwanda bari bagaje wibuke ko 1999 mu mwaka umwe gusa ushize nyuma yaho abereyeho vision 2020 sibyo 1998. Ubwo rero kuva muri 1998 vision 2020 habayeho NST EDPRS the accountant was working that. NST1, the accountant was working that. NST2, we have been working now. The accountant was working that. Abanyarwanda mukabiro kukira abandi batugana. NST2 ni ukuvuga iki? Ndetse amajyambere y'u Rwanda bagezeho avahe aragana bakagenda babizi batavuga. And for that case please Rwanda tell your own story. Imvaho cha sibyo turabizi. Imvaho cha Rwanda tell your own story. Abanigerites bibiri Baza hano Rwanda tell your own story. Okay, iterambere tugezeho bifasha ese ku kibindi bihugu bitarigizeho muri myaka mirongo. So therefore that is the expression umushoramari uzazi Rwanda azajya adawutinga ko azagira expense ikabije gushaka ba accountants b'umwuga abakuru wabo. Okay, so kugira ngo byaba ari ibyo ariko hariho n'ikibazo cyawe kuko muri rurambuye cyane arabiye kugira ngo siwe yagiye atangira.
Bagiye bavuga ku kintu kijyanye n'imyiteguro tuyigeze kure. Numvise yuko hariho amakomite yagiye ashingwa ashinzwe ibintu bitandukanye. Twagiye tujya mu bihugu bitandukanye gukangurira abantu kwitabira inama. twagiye tuvugana n'abaterankunga n'abafatanyabikorwa batandukanye mu rwego rwo kwitegura inama, ku buryo ubu ngubu iminsi navuga yuko turimo kwibarira ku ntoki, kandi imyiteguro iragenda neza. Abantu bazavuga batandukanye nabo twarabateguye, turimo turavugana nabo ku buryo mu minsi igiye kuza igihe tuzajya tubapostinga ku buryo muzajya mubabona, barimo urimo batangiye kubaza confirmation yuko bazaba bahari, kureba amafoto, uburyo twajya tubagezaho kugira ngo byibuze n'abandi bantu batariyandikisha ariko bagishidikanya barimo kwibaza iriya nama bazavuga ni bande, ibi byose bizagenda bisobanuka muri iyi minsi tugiye kujyamo, tugenda twegereza iyi nama. Urumva yuko intego nyamukuru ni uko dushaka kugaragaza umusaruro cyangwa umusaruro w'ikoranabuhanga w'ibaruramari ushobora kuzana mu iterambere ry'igihugu cyangwa se ry'ibihugu, kuko ubu ngubu murabizi yuko iyo ureba ibigo ubu ngubu ku isi ntabwo bakibarira ikigo kugira ngo bamenye ko cyateye imbere, ntabwo bakireba gusa amafaranga cyinjije, bareba n'agaciro kizana icyo kigo. So n'uburyo umusaruro w'ikigo wavugaga byarahindutse. So izo mpinduka zose niho muzazimenyera kubera iki byahindutse, se byatewe n'iki, kuko hari igihe umuntu ashobora kuba atinjiza. Tufate nk'urugero, iyo ureba ikigo nka REB ntabwo bakibarira gusa ku mafaranga cyinshi, ushobora no kureba ukavuga ati se abanyarwanda bagezweho n'umuriro mu turere dutandukanye bangana iki, ubu nawe waba ari umusaruro, kuko abantu iyo babonye umuriro hari ibindi bikorwa by'amajyambere bakora bishobora guteza igihugu imbere. Ibyo nabyo ni ibintu by'ingenzi. Hari ikindi kibazo babajije kijyanye n'ibaruramari, baravuga ati kubera iki abantu bakiri bake cyangwa se kubera iki abantu batarimo kwitabira umwuga w'ibaruramari ry'umwuga. Ariko ibi byose bihera mu mateka. Turabizi yuko mbere ya 1994 umwuga w'ibaruramari nta mbaraga washyizwemo cyane, ku buryo ibaruramari nk'uko ryizwi ku isi ntabwo hano mu Rwanda twari turifite. Iyo wavugaga comptable niba abantu bitaga gukoramo ntabwo urumva ko bagasaga nk'aho ari umuntu usuzugutse, ariko mu bindi bihugu abaruramari ni abantu b'ingenzi mu iterambere ry'igihugu, ku buryo niyo bagiye kunuma abantu muri za guverinoma. Dufate nk'urugero nko muri Kenya, nka minisitiri w'imari ni umubaruramari w'umwuga. Murabyibuka no mu Bwongereza mu gihe cyashize hari minisitiri w'intebe w'Ubwongereza yari umubaruramari, bitaga nimba ari hari John Menya, hari n'umudamu uherutse mu gihe cyashize mu kitari cya kera, nawe yari umubaruramari. So ku buryo abaruramari ni abantu b'ingenzi mu iterambere ry'igihugu, ni abantu bafasha mu bintu byinshi. Iyo hari nk'ibintu utarimo kwibaza, nk'ubu ngubu nzi ko muri mwebwe hari amafaranga bahora mutanga buri kwezi ya caisse sociale murimo kwizigamira, ariko nk'ubu ngubu babajije nk'ubu bakavuga ati muzi nk'abantu mu Rwanda bazajya muri pansiyo mu myaka 10 iri imbere, ese amafaranga yayo yarateganyije? Nibaza yuko ntabwo ari abantu bifasha gusubiza icyo kibazo, ariko hari abantu baba bagomba kujya muri ibyo bintu bagakora iteganyamigambi y'ibyo bintu, bakabikurikirana bakareba ko byose bigerwaho. Umwuga w'ibaruramari rero ni umwuga bisaba kwiga, bisaba kwitegura, kuko ni umwuga ugendera ku mahame mpuzamahanga. rero abantu bacu ntabwo bari barateguwe ariko ubu ngubu twategereza porogaramu zirahari ku bantu bari ku rwego rw'abatekinisiye hari CAT Certified Accounting Technician Program, ku bantu bisumbuye aho bita aba CPA Certified Public Accountants nabo amasomo arahari. Ubu ngubu bakora ibizamini inshuro enye mu mwaka. Ubu ngubu turimo turateganya mbere y'uko uyu mwaka urangira, turimo turateganya yuko twatangira kubikora dukoresheje ikoranabuhanga, ku buryo ntabwo bazongera gukoresha impapuro, bazajya bajya kuri mudasobwa basubiriza ibibazo, mudasobwa bakosora noneho amanota abe yasohoka. Icyo bizadufasha ni uko bizihutisha akazi. Bivuze yuko n'umuntu azaba ashobora gukora ibizamini aho azaba ari hose no kwiga, byose bizaba bishoboka. N'ubu urebye nk'ahantu bategurira abanyeshuri muri izo porogaramu kugira ngo bashobore gukora ibyo bizamini, ahenshi hano muri Kigali. So ni ukuvuga ngo umuntu wo mu ntara bimusaba kuza i Kigali kugira ngo aze kwitegura neza, ariko icyo gihe koko uzaba iri mu ikoranabuhanga nta mpamvu yo kuza i Kigali, azaguma aho azaba ari ashobora kubyikorera. Ubu ngubu byasabaga kujya ku ishuri, umuntu bagende bamuhugure bamutegure, ariko nitujya mu ikoranabuhanga ni ukuvuga ngo nta hantu ugomba kujya. Niba ufite kompiyuta yawe, niba ufite telefone yawe, ushobora kwicara ahantu uzaba uri witegure. So ibi byose tukumva yuko ari ibintu bizagenda bifasha muri iyo gahunda yo kugira ngo abantu barusheho gutinyuka, tugende tugira abaruramari benshi. Iyo ureba n'imibare yarazamutse.
La profession comptable au Rwanda. M. Innocent a demandé qu'il y a un nombre insuffisant de comptables au Rwanda. Et ça c'est vrai que nous avons un nombre insuffisant au Rwanda de professionnels, de comptables professionnels. Mais l'Institut en charge des comptables, en collaboration avec les universités au Rwanda, et aussi avec le ministère des Finances et aussi le ministère de l'Éducation, ont un projet de donner la chance aux étudiants qui sont dans les universités et aussi aux écoles secondaires de voir comment on peut augmenter le nombre de professionnels comptables. Et nous espérons que ce projet va nous aider à avoir un nombre suffisant de comptables sur le marché au Rwanda. Il a aussi demandé quelle est la contribution des professionnels comptables, peut-être à l'économie du pays.
Non, c'est la contribution de ces congrès, c'est la 8e édition, mais quelle est la contribution de ces congrès ici au Rwanda? Qu'est-ce qu'il va contribuer ici pour les Rwandais, pour nous les Rwandais?
Merci beaucoup. La contribution de ce congrès au Rwanda est énorme. Nous pouvons peut-être énumérer, certes, par exemple, quand on dit aussi du tourisme. Nous allons augmenter à travers ce congrès le nombre de gens qui vont visiter le Rwanda. En visitant le Rwanda, nous pensons que les gens aura la chance peut-être d'avoir des clients, par exemple quand on dit les hôtels vont avoir des clients et nous pensons que aussi les transports vont en bénéficier et nous pensons aussi que les gens qui sont dans les différents services vont avoir quelque chose à bénéficier à travers ce congrès. La dernière question était pourquoi les gens ont peur de passer les examens qui sont en relation avec les professionnels comptables, les CPA. Oui, c'est vrai que pour être un professionnel, il faut passer through un processus très rigoureux qui va vous transformer de devenir quelqu'un qui est spécial. Si nous devons peut-être donner un exemple pour un professionnel comptable qui va donner les informations aux décideurs ou bien aux gens qui vont commencer à donner des décisions au niveau national. So, si si aujourd'hui nous donnons des examens qui sont simples et que les gens deviennent des professionnels comptables sans connaissance, vous comprenez ce que ça va donner. So, nous encourageons les Rwandais de bien tenir en compte qu'être un comptable professionnel, ça demande du temps et ça aussi demande aussi du courage. Il faut prendre le temps, lire les livres et aussi exercer pour bien devenir un comptable qualifié.
First question, it's about the cost of the certificate. I was talking with the youth who are participating in the accountant profession. You see, there's some person who wants to study about these things for being the expert, even they are very young, but the obstacle is about the cost. You know that the cost for our youth, they study for the bills of the government. So what do you think about the cost? Do you think that the cost you give for this certificate is not cost high? What can you talk about it? Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much, RBA, for minding, especially, let me start from the last one.
Yeah.
The cost of achieving or attaining CPA, the profession.
Yeah.
RBA, I know you have a research department. I interacted with you for more than 16 years. So try to find out, where was UK in 1896? A profession called Chartered Accountant of England and Wales. How much were they paid? Try to find out. Do you think Rwanda was here in this one? Was Rwanda here in 1986?
Not yet. I say not yet.
No, 1896.
Yeah.
I can show you the map of Rwanda of 1896. So Rwanda was also here. So, therefore, the cost of this profession is a matter of appreciating what this profession is about. Look at the numbers we had. And this will add up to your first question. The numbers we had, the CEO has already hinted at it. The numbers we had in 1999. Definitely the numbers we had by the time the Vision 2020 was being drafted, the numbers we had. And for sure, as I told you, do that research. The impact, the contribution of an accountant to the economy, to an economy, any economy in this world. Do you remember the barter trade of Adam Smith, in case you are an economist?
Yeah, I have started the accountant, I know.
So, do you want us to transact in the economy of barter trade?
No.
And now, a financial expert once said, you put your money where money is. You put your money where money is. And you put your money where your mouth is. Okay? Therefore, the cost of training this accountant is commensurately proportionate with the cost of training any other professional in this world. Please, the CEO told us, that word was coined in 1978 here in Rwanda. Okay? Do you want us to keep that? No. So therefore, let us be mindful of the input-output analysis. This cost the CEO can tell you how much the cost of training an accountant it is in the UK, across America, across Atlantic. You come to East Africa, you have Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, you have South Africa. So compare the contrast. So for us, we are still encouraging Rwandans. And by the way, you know, let us imagine a person, a businessman, down Mugakirio, who is an accountant, because there is a course here called CAT, Certified Accounts Technician. Supposing you have all the certificate of a certified accounts technician, ukabufite iduka establishment hariya muri Mugakirio, are you sure you will not make a better businessman? Murabona ukuntu kariya kantu kitwa IBM, mujya kugura ibyo mwaki IBM, barabwira ngo ziti purchase code, your telephone number, accounting for VAT, TVA. Mwigisha abantu gusaba IBM. IBM irimo umukono ntabwo buhagije, ariko ntabwo tegereje kuba uri Icpar. CAT, you know, CAT, hello, the Icpar people will train you at a very reasonable cost, and more so, CEO yatubwiye yuko hariho uburyo bugiye kuza bw'ikoranabuhanga bityo bizo, ariko the cost ugereranyije n'ibindi bihugu byose ku isi, ibihugu byose ku isi bivuga, I'm not exaggerating, agaruka hano mu kwezi kwa gatatu muri kiriya cyumweru cya mbere kizarangira mu itariki 9, hazaba nubwo twabara uyu munsi right now, imagine 48 countries, they are here purchasing a ticket to come to Kigali. 48 countries, as far off as the United States. Okay, so I'll check how much it costs to train an accountant called a CPA in the US, but they will be here. I can see there is someone coming from the US. So our cost in Rwanda here, given the value of an accountant here in Rwanda, our cost is very commensurate, compares very favorably with other countries all over. Now, then you asked a very good question. You asked another very good question. Chile sincerely practical, and I want us, all of you, our fraternity of the media, to carry this message. This institute, your institute, people of the fraternity, you know, as far back as the 40 years ago, does anybody come from the East African newspaper, the national media? As far back as 40 years ago, every Tuesday there used to be somebody from the finance sector writing a page in the nation, daily nation. Tuesday. That is 54 times per year. Why can't we have someone in Rwanda writing an article about finance management in Rwanda? Okay? But your direct question was stock exchange, stock market, capital markets authority in Rwanda. In 1955, in 1964, there was a stock exchange in Nairobi. Somebody is from Nairobi, I think. Am I right or exaggerating? But it is because the government of that time in Kenya introduced a paper in the parliament called the Cessation of Paper number 4 of 1964, outlining the participation of the Kenyan ordinary African in the economy. To have,
Yeah.
therefore, it's you people to convince these Rwandans to be participating in the economy by going to stock exchange. Stock exchange, how old is it? How old is it in Rwanda? This institute itself is like 15 years old. Be sure the stock exchange in Rwanda, capital markets authority, want to find out they are your neighbor.
Yeah.
Okay?
It's very young, I think.
It's very young.
Yeah.
And therefore, that growth you have seen, especially in the last 10 years, you cannot have a stock exchange was calling in a name unless you have an accountant.
Yeah.
By law, you must have an institute of accountant for you to have a thriving, meaningful stock exchange, capital market authority. Do you know how old the stock market authority is in Egypt? 140 years.
100.
140 years, 1 out. And so on and so forth. Nearby here, the one in Nairobi, have told you by 64. And the muting by 1955. So, ariko mayambere ukayareba ukuntu bigenda. So therefore, the accountant has the law, by law. You cannot have your shares selling, participating in the market at Kigali Stock Exchange unless there has been a participation by a professional accountant at professional level. If we have stock exchange, capital market authority, stock exchange in Rwanda with cross-listed shares. Do you know some of them? I'm sure you know.
Yeah, I know.
The nation.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
The nation media.
Yeah.
You know, it proceeds in Kigali, in Dar es Salaam, in Nairobi. Therefore, please, this profession, educate our people, because we forgot to say the role of the media, I think, is about to fall. How does it tie up with the theme of this conflict? Nanabwiye ibihugu byateye imbere twita ngo byateye imbere. Ese usanga igihugu United Kingdom, UK, England and Wales bari bafite iyi institute mu 1896 biragutangaje ko bageze aho bageze. Si ibyo bihugu tuvuga ngo byateye imbere ujya kumva ngo OECD. So iterambere ry'igihugu ntabwo waritandukanya n'umwuga w'ubukontabule bw'umwuga. Umwuga w'ubukontabule bw'umwuga ntabwo wabitandukanya n'iterambere ry'igihugu. Let us talk of accountability. The state of accountability in a nation vis-a-vis the economic development and socio-economic well-being of citizens. You cannot separate it from the accountant's profession, because you talked about financial mismanagement. You see, and you say you added that the African continent, which is actually the organizer of this conference, has got problem in the financial mismanagement. Ibyo bihugu ntabwo twabivuga amazina, ariko Rwanda BTA urabazi, ntabwo ari uvuge amazina. With immense resources, but they cannot account for their resources. Now, in the Constitution of Rwanda, 2015, amended in 2015, look at Article 166. Right now. Article 166 says, all that budget that is underway right now in the country, that will be read around mid-June, Article 166 of the Constitution will ask every budget agent, everyone who uses the budget of a country, of the country Rwanda, ngo ibyo mugiye kuyakoresha byari ibyangombwa gusa. In accountancy profession, that is opportunity cost accounting. You can confirm. That is opportunity cost accounting. That is marginal analysis. Okay? How do you allocate these resources? These resources are natural. Mufite mu gihugu kandi Rwanda. Ni izihe ziri. You need an accountant to account for them. Okay? Therefore, misuse of those resources, in most cases, will be presided over or facilitated by financial mismanagement. And this financial mismanagement, fighting it, unless you use a professional accountant, you will be doing a zero-sum game. Because you will be involved in superfluous kind of reasoning, accusing, and it becomes superstition. Wakanaka twamubonye yaguze vewiti uri agomba kuba umujura. That is counter development. We need so many vewities here in Rwanda. But how much tax is paid? How each vewiti pays how much tax? You understand? Below shape productivity. If there has been enough productivity in Rwanda, and people buy so many vehicles, they will have paid so much tax. But who accounts for that tax? Who accounts for what the tax does? We talked about the VAT account. Are we together on our VAT? Is it BTA?
Yes,
BTA. Okay? So, if there are the VAT, now Rwanda, you know, Transparency International rates Rwanda in accountability, especially that account, Icpar, zero tolerance of corruption. Rwanda by rating in East Africa. Rwanda is number 1. For the last how many years?
10 years.
A very good man. 10 years. Accountability. But remember, this institute is 15 years old. Her contribution. Then Rwanda is number 1 in East Africa. Rwanda is number 4 in Africa. The AU system. Rwanda is number 50 what in the world?
56.
Very good man. So, rero murabona yuko iribaruramari irikozwe mu buryo bw'umwuga. It facilitates those numbers, those positions. Rwanda number 1, East Africa number 4. Bijyana nanone na ya expectation from stakeholders. Ugomba kuba now, particularly uri umwuga wo gukora ahantu utawusanga muri medical. What can you find? An accountant will not be a doctor. But please, if you do not have a good accountant, who will do the costing of treating the corona patient? You will not have medicine. And you don't know when the corona is coming. Okay? Engineering. There is international standard. 11, I think. International accounting standard 11. They can correct me, these experts. Accounting for construction work in progress. Do you think an accountant is an engineer, civil engineer, working here? So, the accountant's profession intersects our friend, the organizer, I mean the conference organizer, uses the word intersection. Intersection is a movie. So, the accountant's profession intersects with all the other professions. There is an international standard, accounting international standards, I think number 41 or 42, accounting for biological assets. So Zukoni Hanayo is accounting standard. Which yes, you want to read, you find out. Yes. No necessarily you move on as a veterinary. But there is an international accounting standard for biological assets. Therefore, you move. Intersection. We are not saying he must be a genius. No. Exam testing intersecting these professionals Icpar Afurika